So I've just finished work for the day, but I'm still here and I'm not going home. So I've just brought the ER in. It's time to finalise a lot of the welds on this thing. And as you can see, some of them are just fucking shit. So it's time to finalise it. I mean, obviously these ones came out right, but other ones, yeah, not so much. So ladies and gents, I've just put a full tank in the ER after, you know, all my parts arriving, etc. Every single part I want for it, and finishing up my tow bar build. After doing all of that and then putting a full tank of fuel in it, it then decided to blow up. Literally on the same road as the petrol station after leaving. Fucking sound. And literally straight after ending that clip, I've just started recording again, yeah? So the fucking, this sensor here, you know which one that is, has snapped off, fuming. But also, I've just tried taking the HT lead off and instantly loads of just fucking shit's falling out of it. So this is the spark plug cap, HT lead, yeah? Look at all the stuff in there, and there's a big old spring here and shit. Like, what the fuck is all this? And then straight after finishing that clip, I walked away to try and get a magnet to get that stuff out, and the fuel tank's just falling off, spilling fuel everywhere, but also landing on the top, smashing in the complete top of it in and scratching all the paint off and putting a million chips in it. There you go. That is life. I'm absolutely filthy from work, ignore that, but that's probably going to be it for today's video, because quite simply, I don't know what's going to be happening next. So you're going to have to stay tuned for the next episode in about a week's time, where I'm going to be telling you what's going on next. Because in a week's time, I'll get paid again, because I got paid today. And yeah, we'll see what happens.